Hey yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Julian. Welcome back for another video. So today guys, you're gonna clean with me my bird's cage. You can see them from here. The cage is really dirty. You can see it from here how dirty it is. You see the bottom is really dirty because I went to vacation like for 3 to 4 days, and I didn't clean it before I left, so I'm gonna clean it today. I'm gonna give them fresh water, fresh seed, and we're gonna clean it. And you can see I have another one, the blue one. I got two green and yellow, and I have a blue one. So today guys, let's see with me how dirty is the cage. Look at the bottom. We're gonna give them fresh seed and fresh water, and we're gonna clean it. So let's clean it with me. Okay guys, now I'm done. You can see how clean is the cage. You can see them, how happy they are. They're gonna start eating now. I give them water and seed. Now the cage is clean, so I'm done for today. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.